Okay, everybody, class has begun. Everybody get out their notes and study for the quiz. Why are you late?
Why does it matter? It's not going to change anything.
Don't talk to me that way. Robbie, this is your first warning.
Whatever. Hey, Amanda. Hey, Amanda. Hey. Hey. Hey, Amanda. Amanda, do that homework.
Robbie, stay awake. You need to have social skills and you need to pay attention in class and not distract other students. You can't act like this in my class. Are you even listening? Alright class, I'm going to go take these down to the library real quick. Where's Robbie? Robbie! What are you doing, Robbie? The rest of the class is dismissed. Robbie, you stay after. Robbie, I'm really disappointed in you. You have an after school. No talking. Spit out your gum and put away the phone. Robbie, I told you to be quiet. The next time I hear a noise, you have to write on the chalkboard. That's it, Robbie. Go write on the chalkboard. Right, I will behave in class 100 times.